5 ways to nurture your new email subscribers. Building an engaging list of email subscribers is an extremely important part of any business that wants to be successful these days. When you can learn how to execute a well-planned email strategy, you can effectively create amazing returns in your marketing, including repeat sales, customer loyalty, returning website visitors, which helps to improve your search engine ranking and being viewed as a reliable source and expert in your industry. When you can hone your email marketing campaigns, and focus your time and energy on building and fostering relationships with your subscribers, you can catapult your business success to the next level. The key to being able to foster and nurture your new email subscribers is through cultivation. By sharing content with your subscribers that offers value, solves problems, and engages your readers, you will be able to move them closer to a buying decision strategically. The messages that you send to your subscribers helps to keep them connected to your brand, and the more value you offer them, the more likely they are going to be to not only open your emails but engage with them as well. If you don't have a strategy in place to convert your leads into customers, it is pointless to spend your time trying to grow your lead count. With the proper nurturing technique, your subscribers will look forward to hearing from you. Here are 5 ways that you can nurture your new email subscribers, increase engagement, and generate sales with your email marketing. Create a welcome series. Having a welcome email series that greets your new subscribers will dramatically separate your business from your competitors and put your brand in a good light with your target audience. These emails should be friendly, inviting, and they should give your new subscribers a taste of your brand culture. These welcome emails will set the stage of excellence for your business. This is the time that you want to introduce yourself and how you can help your customers. Take the time to tell your story, with each post building on the last. You might want to provide a 5-part training series or advice regarding your related niche. Your welcome emails can be as unique and creative as you want. This will help you to improve your open rates, and your email list will be much more receptive to upcoming sales promotions and events in the future. Evergreen blog articles and posts. The content on your blog serves multiple purposes in marketing your business. First of all, it helps your business attract a steady stream of organic traffic from social media, search, and referrals. To achieve the best results, you need to make sure that you are writing evergreen articles and posts. Evergreen articles are those that are created to provide value to readers all year and beyond. The articles aren't based on trends or what's in, rather they are articles that your reader will always find useful and reflective over time. Each evergreen article should be insightful, educational, and highly relevant to your customers, without being news-oriented or date-specific. To help nurture your new email subscribers, create this kind of content and distribute it over social media and other channels, and those people who find it useful will continue to share it with their networks. Another reason why you should be creating shareable, evergreen content is that it can also serve as a free, valuable material that you can include in your email newsletter that you can send out to your subscribers. This provides your subscribers with a great reason to come back to their inboxes without coming off too salesy or pushy. Make sure you aren't just sending out the articles the same day that you publish them to your blog post. Instead, try to recycle your best-performing articles to use in your email campaigns so that your new subscribers always receive your best stuff. If you have long content, you can always break it into pieces and offer it up as a series. Offer content upgrades. In exchange for a visitor's email address, you can offer content upgrades, which are well-targeted pieces of bonus content that is downloadable with a specific blog article. They specifically address the topic that is being discussed in the blog post. For example, if a human resource consultant writes a blog post on the best practices for high-performing team leaders, they can turn that post into a short ebook and make it available to download when people provide you with their email address. The content upgrades that you offer your new email subscribers should be useful, highly relevant to the topic, and actionable. You should try to have a unique content upgrade for just about every post that you publish to your blog. While this would mean a lot of extra work, it will be well worth it, because you can capture more qualified leads. If you don't have the time to spend creating unique content upgrades for each of your blog articles, you can also keep an eye on those articles that have a massive readership and create a unique content upgrade for those articles. Publish monthly newsletters. There are a number of tremendous benefits that you can gain by sharing a monthly newsletter with your subscribers. Newsletters are an ideal platform for keeping your list in the know and connected with what's happening with your company, as well as what's happening in your industry. You'll be able to bolster your thought leadership by sharing articles, both yours and those of authoritative sites, to help you drive more traffic to your site and increase your sales. Creating a newsletter email campaign is a winning strategy that will help you boost engagement, as well as growth for your business. It helps to build an expectation with your audience, and they'll be excited to see your newsletter in their inbox every month. Here are some essential items that you need to remember when putting together your monthly email newsletter. Use a colorful and compelling design and template that captures attention and exudes your brand. Make sure you use your newsletter to share company news, industry-related content, and customer testimonials. Be sure to curate content from other writers as a way to highlight the best sources in your industry. Promote your most popular blog posts. Include large, distinct call-to-action buttons in your newsletter. Showcase team members and employees in your newsletter to further humanize your company. Segment your email list. Email list segmentation is a growth hacking trick that can significantly improve the bottom line of your business. In fact, many marketers have enjoyed a 760% increase in revenue after they started segmenting their email marketing campaigns. It has also been reported that segmented and targeted email campaigns generate 58% of all revenue generated for a business. Email segmentation allows you to create personalized emails that speak directly to the subscriber that is receiving the email. The idea behind segmentation is that you use the demographic information that you collect on your subscribers to custom tailor an email that speaks to their interests, likes, and wants. By doing this, your subscribers are more likely to open your emails, respond to the content, and take the desired action that you wish to, as compared to a generic email message that you created for your entire list of subscribers. Here are some of the categories that you should consider when creating a segmented email list. Gender, age, demographics, the city, region, state, or neighborhood where your subscribers live, career, preferred or loyal customers, past purchases for upselling opportunities, buyer personas, subscriber content, interest. Pay attention to the kinds of content your subscribers are clicking on the most. Segmenting your email list and creating highly targeted emails will increase your open rates and help you to nurture your new email subscribers. Conclusion: nurturing your newly built email list is just as important as growing the number of subscribers you have. When you can regularly share useful content with your subscribers that informs them, helps them solve their problems, and inspires them, will help you keep your brand at the front of their minds. When they are ready to buy, they'll turn to your business because you have been feeding them with continuous value, making them want to buy from you. With these tactics, you will soon be able to build a loyal customer base who will refer you and your business to their family and friends. Start with just one or two of the tactics as mentioned above and test them with your list over a period to determine which of the tactics creates the most engagement with your subscribers and the most sales. Keep those strategies that work and refine those that don't. With consistency, you will be able to create a winning formula that will transform your email list into a sales-generating machine.